Alright, well, I'm going to try a different experiment today. I'm out here in my van, and I have the tinted window here. Let's see if that does anything for us. First, I got to find the sign. You know, this might not work at all. Oh, there's the sign. I'm looking at it through the tinted window. With my van. I'm zooming in. It's 12:44 p.m. Pacific time. I did this during the day the other day. See the anomaly? Seems like I just saw it just then, but that it keeps disappearing. So let me see if I can zoom in any more. Oh, there's the anomaly. There it is. Yep. Using this tempered glass here, or whatever it is really helping out. Now you can see a lot of this is glass stuff. That's not anything on the glass. Something between us and the light source, or something like that. I'm gonna do this a bunch of different ways now. Wow, the glass looks so neat. I understand that's all glass, but that is not glass. That's something that's on or between us and that light source. Oh, I just went behind a cloud. Try zooming back out so I can make sure I'm still shining on it. Oh, look at the sunspots. Really focus on the sunspots very well. Wow, look at that. This is awesome. Look at all those. Oh, look at that. I saw the lines in that one. You could see the lines in it. There. Like, to show that it is a solar array type situation. Look at that. You can see the housing and the mechanism of it in that sunspot. Wow. It's shaped sort of like a crown with something in the middle. All right. Let me get back on the light source up there. There. Let's see. Make sure we're shining on the actual light source and not. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. This is amazing. I wish I could be flat against the glass, but when I'm flat against the glass, I'm not looking at it. I have to hold it at an angle. And I'm zooming in again. And I think it's going by. It stopped recording all by itself. I wonder why. Okay, this happened before when I was filming the sun. For some reason, my camera just shuts itself off. And when I try to turn it back on, it won't come on. And it stopped again. I wonder if it has something to do with the heat coming from the sun or something. It's my heat gun. I think it'll only do the glass though, because I'm pointing it through the glass. 109.5. I'm gonna open the back door again. I had it partially pulled so that we could use the frosted back glass to look at the sun. Oh, my shoulder hurts very badly today. Okay, this is a pretty new computer, and I just moved it to a new USB port. Let's see what happens. Oh, crap. Alright. Both hands now. Still looking through a tempered glass, but I've put the glass further away from the end of my microscope camera. Well, when I say tempered, I guess what I mean is it's got darkening to it. It's tinted. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. Tinted. So you can clearly see that. I really don't know what's going on, but there's something going on. All right, so it doesn't want to film outside. So let's see if it just shuts off randomly when I'm just pointing at stuff in my car. Wow. What is that the logo of? Oh, something to do with this camera. It's a picture inside of that. All right, well, doesn't seem to be bothered by that. Back to the sun. And again, my camera cut off, and then this started recording without me clicking anything. I really don't know what's going on, but there's something going on there in front of the sun, or light source, or whatever it is. And I don't know about you, but I've laid in a little bit of food.